Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I'll show you how to make this advent wreath. I have been using this birch board for the last few years, so you can see that it's had some stuff stuck on it. It doesn't matter because I'm going to glue the flower arranging material back on anyway. I use this bush glue pen to glue it down. It's perfect for small projects because it's cordless, but it usually lasts about an hour or so on a charge. So if I'm doing some bigger projects, I use a regular glue gun. Then I add these candle holders. I've been using those for a few years now too. It's a good idea to heat the tips with a lighter. It's easy to prick the candle and it won't break. I like wreath made of natural materials, so I chose Douglas fir. Its needles smells pleasantly like oranges, so that's a nice bonus. Of course, any other conifer can be used, just be careful of the poisonous ones. So I cut the twigs into different lengths and stick them in the arranging material. And do you know why wreaths are decorated this way? The Advent wreath is used to symbolically count down the 4 weeks of Advent, the time of preparation for Christmas. It's usually made of conifer branches with 4 candles. One candle is then lit each Sunday of Advent. The first candle is called Hope. It's lit on the first Sunday of Advent, the Iron Sunday. The second candle is called Peace. It's lit on Bronze Sunday. The third candle is called Friendship. We light it on Silver Sunday. And the fourth candle is called Love, and we light it on the fourth and last Sunday of Advent, or Golden Sunday. And here I will try to combine these decorations somehow. I have a box full of them. I originally wanted the wreath to be a combination of gold and turquoise, but when I went to the store to look at some turquoise ornaments, they all seemed too garish. There was too much glitter everywhere. I wanted more of a more muted shade. So this year I'm going to skip the turquoise and focus more on natural materials like pine cones and dyed twisted wood. And I'll mix it out with some plastic ornaments, some twigs and stuff. When Christmas is over, I'll take the ornaments off the wreath again and use them next time. Maybe on a wreath again next year or something else. Yesterday I bought these glitter flowers at the last minute and I like them very much. They are beautiful and subtle and match the color of the candles, so they are definitely not to be missed. My wreath will be in a different color combination to that used historically. Historically, the color purple was inherited to Advent, symbolizing refinement, dignity, contemplation and penance. This color was also worn by the priest during services. On the first Sunday of Advent, however, he wore pink. This color refers to the hope set on the birth of Jesus Christ. Even the fourth candle on the Advent wreath used to be pink. A fifth candle was also added to the wreath, which was placed in the middle and was white. It symbolized Christ himself. People lit it on Christmas Eve after sunset. According to tradition, the candles are placed in a cross and lit counterclockwise. So enjoy and Merry Christmas!